Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete from library or watch history on YouTube TV. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to manage your watch history and library on YouTube TV, you need to first of all tap on your profile that is on the top right hand side of the corner and then go to your settings. So once you're in the settings, you need to go to your privacy section that is located on the left side menu bar. So in the left side menu bar, you can simply find the privacy section. And once you're in the privacy, you can find the option called manage your watch history. So tapping on that, you will be leading to this kind of interface. And from there, you can simply delete specific items, filter by date, or pause your watch history on YouTube TV. So to remove show from your library, you can simply go to your library and go to your recordings and click the check mark next to the show you want to remove. But here in the watch history section, you can simply tap on the cross mark and your YouTube history will be deleted from your YouTube TV. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.